All right, and once you've glued all of your pieces in, I recommend that you let it set for 30 minutes to 1 hour before you move it to its final location, whether it's a shelf, a wall. One thing to keep in mind, if you did have fun and you enjoyed this, I do recommend go visit Naturally Box, link down below, to check out other pieces, other kits that we have. We have different sizes. You can always create a collage. Double the fun. Also, if you'd like to give a kit to a friend, please do visit us and use code SECONDORDER for a 20% off. Once again, second order. I'll have the details below for you to just copy and paste. And if you did have a good experience, please do share a review on Etsy. Let me know what your experience was like, and please do share photos. I love to see all of your masterpieces, and thank you so much.